Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, November 14, 2023 on our channel. Mitsubishi Electric launched a new Ecodan R290 heat pump. Love Group was among the 3 finalists in the 5th edition of the Sustainability Report Award. Belimo introduced the RetroFIT Plus initiative. Thermo AxlePower transforms sustainable transport with successful trial results. Vertiv invests in manufacturing facility in Northern Ireland. Réjean Lalumière, president of Arneg Canada, recognized by the ADA. New products by Danfoss. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Mitsubishi Electric launched a new Ecodan R290 heat pump. Mitsubishi Electric has announced the launch of its Ecodan R290 heat pump, further contributing to the decarbonization of home heating. The new model, manufactured in its factory in Livingston, Scotland, results from Mitsubishi Electric's decades of experience in producing heat pumps. The launch of the Ecodan R290, with its low global warming potential (GWP) refrigerant, is a big step towards more sustainable home heating. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Love Group was among the 3 finalists in the 5th edition of the UNQUAT Sustainability Report Award. UNQUAT. Love Group was among the 3 finalists in the 5th edition of the UNQUAT Sustainability Report Award. UNQUAT, hosted by the Department of Economics and Business Sciences of the University of Pavia, together with the Italian Society of Teachers of Accounting and Business Economics, Sidria, Stemia Mosai, Blanco DCO and ELSEG. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Belimo introduced the RetroFIT Plus initiative. Belimo introduced the RetroFIT Plus initiative, which intends to support customers in eliminating bottlenecks and streamlining processes when it comes to retrofitting a building. Belimo has therefore expanded its sales organization with dedicated product managers and RetroFIT Plus application specialists who are supporting the various customer personas from the initial project assessment to the successful completion. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Thermo AxlePower transforms sustainable transport with successful trial results. Thermo revealed the results of its AxlePower energy recovery systems trials, proving the technology's unprecedented value in sustainability and efficiency and emphasizing a significant shift in sustainable refrigerated trailer transport. This system is a result of a collaboration between Thermo and BPW Bergische Achsen KG, a leader in running gears and mobility services for transport. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Vertiv invests in manufacturing facility in Northern Ireland. Vertiv, a global provider of critical digital infrastructure and continuity solutions, announced that it is making a significant investment in a manufacturing facility in Campsie, Derry, Londonderry, creating approximately 200 skilled jobs and contributing to the Northern Ireland economy. Supported by Invest Northern Ireland, Vertiv's investment will further strengthen Northern Ireland's highly developed and advanced manufacturing and engineering sector. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Réjean Lalumière, president of Arneg Canada, recognized by the ADA. The ADA Association held its 67th Convention of Food Traders in Quebec, where Réjean Lalumière, the president of our subsidiary Arneg Canada, was recognized for his career and achievements by being included into the Suppliers Hall of Fame. In his speech, he expressed his gratitude to everyone who has contributed to the success of the company, including business partners, customers, and the employees. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. New products by Danfoss. New Boston by Danfoss liquid cooling hoses offer efficient cooling of electric vehicles. Danfoss Power Solutions, a leading global supplier of mobile and industrial hydraulics as well as electric powertrain systems, has launched 2 new hose solutions specifically for liquid cooling applications. Boston by Danfoss Emperor EHW094 TPU hose and Royal EHW194 EPDM hose offer superior performance and high flexibility for electric vehicles, data centers, and other liquid cooling needs. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.